Today I will be doing a video on the disassembly and reassembly of a Ruger 1022 Takedown. So to begin, you're going to release the barrel by pulling that and twisting. Then located right here near where the mag well is, there's one screw that you're going to take out. Now you don't have to take it fully out of the gun. And what that does is it'll release all of your innards to come up and out. Sometimes they stick inside because of the safety right there. Now if you look, there's two pins, one here and one here that hold your trigger assembly in, and one here that is your hold your bumper in, or actually is your bumper. So what you're going to do is you're going to release your bolt. Then you can take out these pins right here. Some of them are loose enough to where they can just fall out, which isn't always a good thing. But you're going to take out that second pin right there with just a little punch. In this case I'm using a different screwdriver tip. And then out will drop your trigger assembly. Now you can clean that up and do what you need with that. Now for the bolt, we're going to have to take out, like I said before, the bumper right here. Now that, use another piece, actually, slid right out. Once that's out, you can pull this back, and right there, where these line up, you can just pop that right off. Make sure you hold that rod down and pop that right out. Now if you flip it upside down, you're off of that. There's your bolt. Now you can take this, lift up, twist it in, and it's all apart. Now that you have it all disassembled, you can clean it like this one very much needs, if you can see that. Now to reassemble it, just put it back together the way you took it apart. So you're going to put your charging handle back in. Hopefully it doesn't slide out the side. Then you're going to put your bolt back in. So what you want to do with your bolt is hold it until you can pull this back. And when you pull it back, you want to push with your pointer finger up top here and pull back with your other pointer there. So now you're ready to drop this in and lock it down in. Now you want to make sure you get it in right to where it seats nicely right into there. And then there you go. Next thing is put the bumper back in. Then you can put your trigger assembly back into the gun, into the body. Put your pins back in. 1, 2. Then you put that right back into here. Tighten this up. Hand tight's good, you don't need it hulked onto there. There you go. There is your Ruger 1022 disassembly and reassembly for cleaning and any other needs. Previously, I had done the disassembly and reassembly of the Ruger 1022 Takedown. It's a 22 long rifle. We're going to be doing a firing test to make sure it is functioning and works well.